Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to talk about similar triangles again. Lesson 65. Lesson 66 is pretty self-explanatory, so I don't think I'll teach on that. I think you guys can handle 66 on your own. But 65 looks like this. First of all, let's review the fish method. So if I had like 6 and 8 and 15 and this, how do I find out what that is?
You multiply 15 times 8 and
divide by 6.
So 15 times 8 divided by 6.
Okay.
So this works with any kind of numbers, right? So let's do this one.
Jesus fish. The answer is 20. Give us a free problem set question. You won't, Mr. Flack.
You won't. Bet.
I always win these. That's why I like to do it.
You have no
Fish method one. I'm just a lazy.
All right. So can you guys do this one?
Yeah, totally. No.
Yes, you can. Come on.
It's not hard.
But it's fractions and a fraction.
Wait, which
No,
one?
well, you
Okay, I want to see everybody do this before we move on.
Okay.
Everybody,
Okay.
pick out a piece of paper and do this.
Not a problem.
Take out a piece. Austin, you're not going to do it.
Give me paper, Nathan.
I have paper.
1 second. I'm giving you something.
Oh, are you good?
No. I have paper.
Guys, he's not good.
I got my answer.
Okay, everybody should be writing something.
Yeah, I'm working on it. I'm about to write. So.
It's not a pretty answer, but it works.
It's not pretty at all. Not at all.
I need a calculator. How many calculators work?
Is that right though, Mr. Flack?
Yep.
Oh, I think I know what to
Mr.
do.
Flack, I think I got the answer.
Whoa. That's a bit harsh.
Yep.
Copycat.
Yeah. Oh. Every time. Okay, I got it. No, you don't.
No, that's not it.
It's a big number.
It's a big number.
How quickly I'm supposed to produce, right?
Yeah, and you can cross reduce before you do that.
No, you can't. What do you mean?
It has to be reduced.
Yeah, always reduce.
Yeah, I can't
I
cross
didn't even
reduce.
get a reduced answer. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Austin, did you get a reduced answer? That's the same answer.
Well, like,
I don't know.
no, like, I cross reduce.
Yeah, me too.
You my answer.
I only had to cross reduce once.
Yeah. Wait, I have a sock in here? I'm a slob.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not to mention how many lenses I have here. Oh my goodness.
Bro, clean out your crate. I used to have one of those.
Is that an unopened fig bar?
Oh.
Is it this?
Yeah.
Let's go.
What'd you get?
I got a number. Did you get it right already?
Me? Yeah.
Yeah.
I did.
Okay, where's that so far?
Good job,
Let's
bro.
go.
Yeah, this is completely wrong.
Emerson gets it right because it's swag.
Keep
Yeah.
it as fractions.
Also, they
Because
put the
I
music
want
on.
to know that you know, that I know that you know. how to do fractions. Okay?
Oh, maybe you'll
I
like
know
this
how to do
Flack.
fractions.
That's wrong.
Just-
Well, yeah, but sometimes you forget the rules and you do other things.
Is this wrong?
Well, that's what I was taught in public school.
Well, the rules that we already talked about.
Is this wrong?
Nope. That's right.
What?
Good
Is this
God.
right?
Is this all the way reduced?
Nope.
Shoot.
Is this all the way reduced?
3.
Yep.
Two
That's right. That's
equals
not.
two.
I read it upside down, which is what it should be.
Yeah.
Should be 99 on the bottom. Okay, what'd you do? What do you do first?
That thing and then that
So,
thing and then that.
Who hasn't done it yet? Who doesn't have the answer? I think everybody. So walk me through it. What do you do first?
You multiply 4/9 by 1 3/4.
Okay, so that's 7/4, right? So since I know that I'm gonna have to multiply and divide, first of all, I like that better because I don't need a common denominator, right? Everybody look at me.
I'm looking.
When you multiply or divide, you don't need a common denominator. You just need improper fractions. So make sure they're proper fractions. And then you divide by, what are you dividing by?
2 1/5.
Okay, but what's a better way to say 2 1/5? 11/5. Okay, so now if you write this first, then you have a division problem that you can copy dot flop. Some of you on your tests are doing too much in your head. Okay, so when you are dividing by fractions, you're flopping the wrong thing because you don't know what you're dividing by. So make sure you know what you divide by. So basically, we're going to copy dot flop this, and we can do it all together. You don't have to do this first and then divide. You can do it all together because this is all just multiplication. Look at this. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's all you have to do. Now, there's only one thing that cancels. What cancels? The 4s. But if you multiplied it all across, that's fine. You just have a really annoying math fraction to reduce. Okay, but now you know that when you multiply across, you don't have to reduce anything because you've already looked at all the possibilities of reducing and you got rid of them. So answer is 35/99.
Now do a free problem set.
Okay. Now, the way this applies is with similar triangles, because basically when you have similar triangles, let me just draw a couple similar triangles here. So do these look like similar triangles?
Yes. Yeah, for sure.
Remember, similar are the same shape,
No.
but different size. So these are similar.
Yeah.
Okay, so if these are similar, the way we know they're similar, let's say that these angles are the same, these angles are the same, and these angles are the same. So if all the angles are the same, these are similar triangles.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what if we had,
Wait, why did we go from fish method to triangles?
because that's a good question. Because you can find the missing numbers in similar triangles because similar triangles' lengths of sides are proportional. So that means you can set up proportions with these different sides. Yes.
X is 5 and Y is 6.
Bro.
Sorry.
Well, good thing he's wrong. Okay.
Yeah.
So why'd you get 5 and 6?
Because 2 and 3 are.
Just one apart. So it doesn't work that way with
You just
with
add
that.
one to each of them.
Yeah, you can't add one to each of them. That doesn't work. Okay, so don't get mad because they're wrong, Xavier. But these guys are proportional. Now here's the deal. I'm going to draw a little chart. I think this is the easiest way to do this. If I had like the small triangle right here, or actually let's do it this way. Let's do small, large.
3.
Okay, so here's the small triangle, and then I'm going to go left, right, bottom. Okay, are you guys paying attention?
Yeah.
Okay, let's just fill in the blanks. So what's the left side of the small triangle? 2. What's the right side of the small triangle? On the bottom? Okay, so the left side of the large triangle is 3. The right side is X, and the bottom is Y.
Okay. So it's 4 and 5.
Look at this. What's X? Can you do it? Can you figure out what X is?
12.
What?
No.
8.
5.
4.5.
16. 8.
I don't know.
Guys, think about it.
He
Guys,
didn't give us away.
Look, here, I'm going to give you a hint. Ready? Ready for the hint?
Oh, I know.
Oh, it's 6.
Yeah.
That's right. That's just a proportion.
It's 12.
Well, the cross product is 12, but remember the fish, you divide by 2.
I said
12
first.
divided by 2 is 6.
I said first.
Right? Okay? So now that you know that this is 6, can you figure out what Y is?
Yes.
No.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Or you could do this. Look at that proportion. Do you see it? 2/3 equals 5 over Y.
No.
15.
7.5.
7.5. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. See how we did that? So once you set up,
So what is Y?
and with
7.5.
proportions, guys, with proportions, this little box, this ratio box is really helpful.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay.
Can
All
you
right,
give us a
that's
fish
enough.
method free problem set?
That's a good one.
I know, I really think it is.
Sure. I am going to do that.
Pat.
Let me,
No.
actually, there's a good one in your homework. You don't get it?
I don't gamble.
Oh, okay.
I gamble.
I do.
We all do.
I go to the casino in Vegas.
Yeah.
What
I
are you
play
doing?
for gambling.
Strangling with Cersei.
Why?
I'll bet on Fortnite matches.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You need to add.
Guys, Gator's the imposter.
I'm not. Yeah.
Okay, we ready?
Totally not killing
No.
you right now.
PC on Xbox. PS4. PC.
Be quiet, son.
Tryhard. You guys know how people are on horses? I bet on horses.
no, man. I'm good on Nintendo Switch. You playing Nintendo Switch?
Hey, Ben. Do you like the flip knocks?
Yeah, they're actually kind of fire.
Yeah, we like the.
I like hitting 180 headshots.
Those
Yeah,
those were first in like season 9 or something.
Okay, ready?
Before that, says so.
This is one of your problems on a problem in a problem set in the future here.
Three problems of question. Bro.
Sure, this is a free problem set.
I can't see your head.
How does he do the triangle
Your
one?
head. Okay.
C? Not a C.
Wait, what is that?
It's-
5,
yeah,
7,
it's-
C.
I think that's an S.
No, that's a 7.
Okay, now the trick here is lining up the correct sides with each other. Okay, I want you to find
It's C.
C and D.
Oh, this is stupid. No way.
You so fucking you bully us.
Whoa.
Leave it alone. Max. Hey, that was unnecessary, David.
Oh,
Oh, I know what to do, Mr. Flack.
How
do you do it? I don't know, but I think I kind of know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Flack.
I think I might.
What's this?
Yep.
Why?
Yeah, do this one
Why is
first,
this?
and then you can go to the restroom.
Free.
Bro, this is triggering me, bro.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so the trick is you can't say left, right, bottom, right? Because these aren't in the same orientation. So I would flip that triangle over and make it look like it's the same, and then you can go left, right, bottom. Okay? So see what you get.
Okay. This is probably not even how you. Wait, no, that's definitely not how you do it.
I'm not even close, bro.
I'll think you had. You don't.
How can I not?
Let's not do that.
Mr. Flack, I think I got it.
But I'm not saying anything. Go, save your.
Don't get a fraction.
Oh.
So both,
shaking.
Raising everybody's blood pressure.
Really? That's kind of
All three?
yeah, well,
Figures of the classical
then
thing.
you are a
No
jerk on
warnings?
purpose.
Are they supposed, they're, wait,
What?
are they supposed to be?
Then you're a jerk on purpose, not just by accident.
Are they both supposed to be fractions?
Yep, the answers are gonna be fractions.
Why?
What do you mean?
Why would you ever do that?
Because this is as difficult as it will get. So
I
you
did
don't
a
have to worry.
decimal instead of a fraction.
Why'd you do that?
Yeah, why did you do that?
Because I'm, yeah. I give up.
Well, you could do a decimal if you want, yeah.
This is tough.
I got
I know,
an
right?
answer, but it's in decimals,
I'm working
so it's
on
probably
it.
wrong.
Makes me want to check my hair. Bro, this is dumb, bro. How am I supposed to?
You guys give up?
No.
Yeah.
I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm done.
No, that's not.
Is mine right?
I'm not sure if this is right. I don't think it is.
Well, I almost got it. I think I want to give up. I think that's a good idea.
There you go.
Oh, boom. Oh, where's the? What's that say? Let's go.
So just don't show anybody.
Wait, you actually got it? No way. How did you say you'll take it? That's just.
Because it's not in fractions, but I still got it right. So
Oh, gotcha. Well, I actually literally almost
I got it.
literally have it.
ooh,
I almost literally have it. Guys.
Oh, where are you?
Steve.
I think I have it.
I'm using my phone as a calculator real quick.
No.
that first.
Oh, and ask you.
Yeah, you kind of did.
Just like I have it.
Guys, I got the answer. It's the
No.
amount of times I asked.
0.
Well, didn't just now kind of one, so is the answer one?
I never asked anything.
But that was a question.
It was a
You rounded
statement.
that. Well,
Okay,
Are you sure?
Don't
That was
round
a
that.
question.
Mr. Flack, I got C. No, I'm working on.
Yeah, my answer was C. I got it right.
He's right.
All right, now let me get D.
Wait, Mr. Flack.
Yeah, the answer is C.
How'd you do it?
See?
I used really complex thinking.
Unproportional.
How'd you do it?
I used really
This is
complex
like I
thinking.
got it, I think this time.
I don't get it.
Let's go.
I have no idea what you
It's
mean.
so bad.
I got it like 9 years before you did.
Bro, Austin's just lucky, bro. Honestly, Austin's just really lucky.
Okay, Emerson, tell me what the
And
left side,
This is what I get for D.
tell me the left side of the small triangle,
Oh, that's 5.
okay? Tell me the right side of the small triangle.
And that is 7.
And the bottom,
C.
C. Okay, now the tricky part.
Yes.
So tell me the left side of the big triangle.
Oh, D.
No,
13 and a half.
no.
8.
Oh, 8.
Why is it 8?
Because you have to flip it.
Yeah, so
So they'll be.
this side goes with this side, right? Because this is if you can see that this is like the shortest side, the medium side, and the longest side.
Flipped it.
So if you flip it, then they look the same.
Bruh.
Okay? So that's why you have to match them up correctly. So this is 8. Now what's the right side of the big triangle?
Yeah, D.
D. And then I'm going to say instead of 13 and a half, I'm going to say 27 halves.
Okay. What?
Okay?
Thanks for simplifying it.
All right. Now can you finish it?
But Wait, did I get D right?
Wait, do I get a free
Yep.
problem set?
Wait, is D right?
Yeah, I already gave it to you. Yep, that's right. D is right.
Then what were your two answers?
B was 11.2
Same.
and C was 8.4.
No! Ugh.
What? 8.3443.
No, I never even said it.
8.4.
8.9999997.
Okay, is it 10? 7, 10?
Is what? What's 10?
You should do another one, Mr.
No.
Flack. That was
So do
fun.
you see where you do the fish method
Oh,
to get
yeah.
D? Where do you get D?
Oh, okay. So it's 8 times 7 divided by 5.
So this is right for D. 56 fifths.
That's a big number. Okay.
Or what these guys did, 56 divided by 5 on your calculator is 11.2.
And then
Yeah, for sure.
it's
Okay, what about this?
you do 29 over 27 over 2 times 7 divided by 56.
Yep, you could do that, or you could do this proportion. Ignore the middle, and you can go 27 halves times 5 divided by 8. But I'm going to do this because it's a little bit more challenging. Okay, so here's how we do that. So it's 27 halves.
I got
27 halves times 7 divided by 56 fifths, which is times 556. See what I did?
Yeah.
All right, cross reduce what you can. 7 and 56, that's 1 and 8. And that's it. So 27 times 5 is 135 all over 16.
You do another one. No.
135 over 16, which is what? 8 and 7/16. Or you can keep it 135/16.
8.4375.
Okay, how's this feel, guys?
Good, another one.
Well,
Another one.
Oh no,
this is about as difficult as it's going to get. It's not going to get too difficult, okay?
Okay.
So lesson 66, let me just tell you what it's about. It's ratio word problems. So when you don't know, tic-tac-toe. So I'm going to read them like I did last time. I'm going to read them and you are going to just tell me how to translate, okay? So when you don't know, tic-tac-toe, this is what these ratio boxes are called. You can just draw a tic-tac-toe box, okay? So watch this. So this is 66. We're going to do ratio word problems. Yep. Yeah, you can go. Sorry. Ratio word problems. So I'm just going to start with example 1. I'm going to read it. I'm going to write down the pertinent information. So here's what I'm going to do, guys. Ready? I'm going to draw a tic-tac-toe box. And in this tic-tac-toe box, I've got my ratio column, and then I've got my actual number column. Okay? So the ratio is just the ratio between this and this, but that's not necessarily how many people there are. So for example, listen to this. Ready? Eyes up here. The ratio of the number of parrots, like Polly want a cracker, parrots, to the number of macaws was 5 to 7. So I'm going to say parrots, macaws was 5 to 7. You see how I translated that?
Yeah.
The ratio of parrots to macaws was 5 to 7. And then it says this: how many macaws were there when the parrots numbered 750? So 750 goes here, and this is my variable.
Oh, so do 750 divided by 5.
Boom. Yeah, so you could do that way or the fish method. Both work.
Fish method.
Okay, if I did it this way, it'd be basically 150. 7 times 150 is 1,050 macaws.
What?
Huh?
Stop the cap.
It's clearly 5,250.
Mr. Flack.
Divided by
Captain.
5. Divided by, don't forget to divide by 5.
Probably not.
When you do the fish method, you multiply those two and then you divide by the remaining number. What'd you get?
Mr. Flack.
Did you get 1,050?
I got 1,050. I got 1,050.
Yeah.
Austin's doing
Okay,
that.
should we do another one?
Yeah.
This was pretty easy. So let's do number 2. See if you can do the tic-tac-toe. Ready? Do your tic-tac-toe here.
I hate this.
You just forgot to divide by 5, dude. Hey, look at me. That's the only thing you did wrong. And now you know. So, and that's probably why you've been frustrated, because you forgot that one step. So now you got it, right? So let's try this next one. Okay, so number 2, the ratio of the number of wrigglers starts with a W.
Wigglers?
Yeah, let's call them wigglers.
Worm?
To the number of squirmers.
Mario Bros.
Hey, listen. The ratio of wigglers to squirmers was 13-2. So are you filling in your tic-tac-toe box?
No.
When 26 students had the wiggles, how many were squirmers? Okay?
Can you repeat the
Yep, here we go. Ready? The ratio of wigglers to squirmers was 13-2.
Okay.
26 students had the wiggles.
26 to
How many squirmers were there? Okay, so fill out your tic-tac-toe box.
at least one.
Not in a row.
At least one.
4.
4.
All right,
A
did you
number.
say 4?
Yeah.
Okay,
I also think.
so what am I writing here? So help me know what to write. The ratio of wigglers to squirmers. What are you gonna do first?
Top left.
You know what's right.
W, and then I'm gonna do a cursive S because the normal S looks like a 5 and I don't like that. Was 13-2. Where does the 13 and 2 go?
In the ratio, 13 on top.
Okay, and then it says 26 wigglers. Where's the 26
On
go?
the top right.
How many squirmers? So this is your variable. So now what do I do? So
Math.
Xavier, tell me how to do this. How do you figure out
6
S?
times 2 divided by 13.
Okay, so 26 times 2 is 52 divided by 13 equals
I
4.
like 5 seconds before.
This isn't even 3 problems.
Okay, does that feel all right?
Yeah, I got it before Henry.
No, I did it way before you.
Okay, that's it. Good job.
Black man.